how to add specialized profile on your account on Upwork. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to Upwork. This is the home page, as you can see. Now all what you have to do here is so simple. Just go to the top, click on settings. Now go down. You have to go to the settings page. From here I'm gonna add the password, and here you go. Click on profile settings and scroll down. You will find specialized profiles right here, and all what you have to do here is click on add, and you will be able to add the specialized profile, as you can see from here. And after you finish, click continue. You have to fill all those steps and everything is gonna be done, as you can see. If this video was helpful for you, I hope you leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.